minor chord. sus4 chords. In the three voice chords, those consisting of three notes, there are some other types. The chords with the sus4 symbol. In the place of the third of the chord, we put the fourth perfect. The C sus4 consists of C, F, and G. It is interesting to hear this chord. The sound of it leads to the homonymous major chord, and as a sound it is very common in the finale of a piece. So let's hear C sus4, C. Augmented, diminished chords. The chords with the symbol augmented. This is the augmented chord. The perfect fifth of the major chord, we make it augmented. C augmented consists of the notes C, E, and G sharp. Listen to C, C augmented, F chords. Already, with very few types of chords, you see the value of harmony and how the notes are connected together, creating beautiful sound effects. One last thing from the three voice chords are those with the symbol flat 5. For instance, C flat 5. As you understand, this is a major chord